Welcome, Milano family, to yet another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today we are doing an amazing Milano peanut noodle recipe. Look at this. It's so good. I can't even tell you. I'll have to have a taste. Hold on. And it takes just such a short period of time to make them, and they are just yummy. Look at this. Nicholas, Andrew, I'm going to kill you. Enough. Oh my God, the shenanigans, I'm telling you. Anyway, hold on, let me take my bite. Good job. Follow me, watch the recipe. It's so easy, so good, so delicious. Watch. So, I already boiled the pasta. I have it set aside. Okay, the recipe is going to be down below, of course. And we're just going to make the sauce right now, and then we're going to mix it up with the pasta. So, we're going to start off with about a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. You don't have to be too precise, but you do need to make sure you mix everything real well. We're going to mix it up with about 2 cups of chicken broth. So I'm going to mix that first so we can kind of blend it. So we're going to mix this up. And we're going to go with a couple tablespoons of garlic. That's 2 heaping. We're going to go with about 2.5. It's about 2.5 tablespoons of soy. And again, it does not have to be super duper precise. Then we're going to put in a little chili oil. Same, it depends on how much spice you want. I'm going to go with a whopping tablespoon. We're going to add in about another 2.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We want the noodles to be coated with the sauce. We don't want them too dry. We're going to put some sesame oil. Again, I'm going to go with about 2.5 tablespoons. I like to add in a little of the chili crunch. Not too much. You can always add a little bit more later, but I don't want it to be too spicy. Add it in about a teaspoon. Okay, so we're going to mix this all up. Okay, so it still has some chunks in there, but it's okay because we're going to put it on the stove with the pasta. All right, we are back. So I mixed everything up. There's still some chunks of the peanut butter. It's okay. I'm going to add just a little bit of sesame oil to the skillet, just a titch. I'm going to pop some of this in. I'm going to do it in stages. Okay, and then I'm going to take the pasta, which we've already boiled. We're going to add some more of the sauce. This is a whole package of pasta, so we're just going to eyeball it and see. We don't want anything to be too dry, so it's better to eyeball it to make sure we've got some moist peanut noodles. Okay. Look at this. Oh, it's incredible. So we really just want to cook it together, make it sure it just is all really, really combined. I think I'm going to add more pasta. They're looking really good. And at the end, we're going to top it off with some green onions and some crushed peanuts. So, you know what? Let's go for the whole package. You want the consistency to be like this. Okay, so you want it to thicken up a little bit. Okay, we're going to pour this. Oh, who do we have here? Who do we have? That would be Ray. We need to make sure we get Ray's approval. So we have our lovely bowl. We are not done yet. So we're going to take some green onions and we're going to just garnish it with this. Oh my God, look at how beautiful it looks. Then we're going to add, we just took some peanuts, crushed them up. A little peanut action. Look at that. The recipe is down below. Tell me how you love it. I can't wait to hear your reaction. I'm telling you, it's a winner. So hopefully we'll see you in the showroom. You can see all of our shenanigans going on, but we 100% definitely will see you on the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. So we will see you then.
It tastes like heaven.